can see straight through my life. Oh, there's something.
Hello guys, and welcome back. I am here with my little co-pilot today, and I'm gonna do a day to night skincare routine for you. So let's get started. So in the mornings, I don't do too much for my skin, but I do like to wash my face, get all the leftovers from the night before off. I use a gentle cleanser in the morning. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one by Estee Lauder. I'll link all the products down below, list or link. So once we've got about a pea-sized amount of that, we'll go ahead and just wash our face. Scrub, 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 washy, washy. And once the face is clean, we can move on to the very basic daytime skincare.
This is paradise. Yo.
Hormonal acne, it's a beast. I can't get rid of it. I'm a middle-aged woman. Anyway, skin's clean, face clean. Let's do morning skincare. Sorry about the bra. Of course, we're going to use the Noni Ampoule from Celimax. This is one of my favorites and definitely is worth any hype you might get. I use 2 to 3 pumps depending on my skin condition, and just pat that on. I'll use this day and night. Yep, gotta rub it into the double chin there. Oh yeah, get it all over the chest. Okay. My cat is back there. She just hanging out back there like you saw earlier. Now, what am I using? What am I using now? I'm going to go in with a moisturizer. I did choose between 2 moisturizers. This is the Origins Original Skin Matte Moisturizer or the Origins GinZing Glowing, I'm not sure. It'll be listed down below. But it has a tint, and I did decide to use this today to be a nice, somewhat healthy glow under my makeup products. So I'm just going to put that on and rub that in. So the Noni Ampoule, the moisturizer, sometimes I may do an under eye cream if I don't plan on wearing makeup, but if I'm going to put makeup on, I usually will lay off because I don't need that slipping and sliding. Now I'm going with sunscreen. This is the Habib Airy Sun Stick. This product is immaculate for the face and for under makeup. It has a kind of waxy texture or consistency, but it's not silicone-like. It just glides on over the skin. I'm actually just kind of bouncing it just to leave a little bit since I'm not going to be out in the sun. But it is such a good base for makeup as well, and it doesn't leave any white cast. It doesn't leave any residue. My skin can sometimes get irritated by sunscreen. This does not irritate me at all. It's great. I highly recommend it, and I will link it below. So sunscreen on, looking fresh and glowy. That's how we want to look for the day. Now we're going to go through our day. And it's nighttime. I did makeup. This makeup look, I think, will show up in an upcoming video or perhaps a video you've already seen, but it is time to get it off. So I have 2 products, the Pharmacy Apple Clean, Green Apple Clean, I think, and the one size, I'm not sure what the name of the one size one is, but I do know I have the older version. This is excellent at breaking down makeup, but if you are not wearing heavy makeup daily, there's no way you need this heavy of a product. The one size is, like I said, fantastic at breaking down, but it leaves the most insane residue that is impossible to get rid of. I will have to scrub my face. I think I'll do it 2 times, like a double wash. First, the Papa Recipe Eggplant Enzyme wash, and then I think I'll use the soft clean again. But that one size makeup remover is no joke. That's like for stage makeup, drag makeup, anytime you're going to be like under heavy lights makeup, like, is no joke. The Papa Recipe Enzyme Cleaner is one that I was not using properly, and now I have to relearn it. Going back in again, like I said, with the soft clean. I'll talk about the Papa Recipe though. I thought it was like the like a treatment, but it is actually a daily wash. It's a powder wash, and you know what, Korean skincare, they trick me sometimes, I'll admit, but it's good. I like it a lot. I've been using it right, and I like it a lot. So let me just dry off my face. I have like 100 of these microfiber towels and washcloths. They're from Temu. And that's it. Look at my face, is so squeaky clean. So let's go back and do that skincare. God, that squeaky clean face. And look how glowing I look. Celimax, the pads. These are the Jiwoo guy, I think. They're so good. I love them. I always repurchase them. And they're sticking together like crazy. I do squeeze some of the excess product out just because they're very wet, and when I use them as just a toner pad, I don't need them to be so wet. But I also sometimes use them as like masks, and then I'll leave the product in. Anyway, I'm just gonna rub this all over. It's very gentle, and it really clears your skin up. They're so good. I like everything I've tried from Celimax. If I could talk about it even more, I would. I used to use it behind the ears, use it all over the face, the neck, the chest, everywhere. Get the use out of that. And then we will go on to toner or serum. Toner. This is the Mer The Facial Lotion, I think it's called. At this point, I'm trying to use it up because I've had it for a while. I think I've had it for 2 years, maybe longer. But I am just trying to use it up at this point. It's a really good product. I'm down with the Mer. I'm okay with the hype. I think it works and I like it. I would buy more if I could afford it. But love that. Love the lotion. It's almost gone. There's just a little bit. I don't know if you can see. There's like less than a third left. Now let's see what we're going to do next. Fix our hair. Oh, girl, your hair is crazy. It is crazy. I probably hadn't washed my hair in like 4 or 5 days at this point, so it was definitely looking a little crazy. Well, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we're going to go with the Clinique, the Radiance Lotion. I'm not sure the name of this product either. Down below. Check the link down below. Everything will just be listed in the order that I showed it. But this is a clarifying peel that you pat on and leave overnight and then wash off in the morning, and it exfoliates your skin. It's really, really good at exfoliating. It's really good at, if you have a large pimple, helping to bring it to a head or reduce it if it hasn't, got anything in there. I use it a lot when I'm having my hormonal breakouts, which is probably why I was using it at this time. Most of these products are pretty staple for me. This is Estee Lauder Advanced Eye Cream. And all of these except for the sunscreen and the makeup remover, I really pretty much use on a daily basis. I've been using these same products for a hot minute. Like, I'm you know, I'm a creature of habit, but also I like to try new things all the time. But I usually stick to brands that I know and love and then try like within the brands. So this Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream is not really creamy. It's got like a jelly texture and it goes like very far. You only need a little bit. At this time, I had put so much on my hand. I had used way too much. So yeah, I was like just putting it all over my face at this point because there was so much left over. But I really like it. It's a really nice product. The Estee Lauder skincare really does work for me, and so I use it quite a bit. I just like it. I really do. Back with the Noni Ampoule. This is a great product too. I did promote this on Instagram. There is a reel. I'll link it down below. But even though it was a promoted product, it's so good. It's so good. And I absolutely would continue to use and talk about it even without any type of compensation. It's really good. So we'll put that all over again because it's very soothing. Oh, it's a great product. Man, I'm gonna have to blur out this bra. Or should I just leave it? I don't know. How do people feel about bras these days? Is this like taboo to see, or are we past that? Is it cool to see a woman's undergarments? 2 moisturizers, the Glam Glow on the left in the black and this Laneige Water Bank in the blue. I don't remember which one I chose, but they're both good, but they are very different. For my skin today, I did choose the Water Bank because it's lighter. It's a very gentle moisturizer. I like the entire Water Bank line from Laneige. I got a kit, like a deluxe sample kit from Sephora. And I really like the product line. But I'm gonna just put that all over. I have this little tool, this from Temu as well. It's just a little plastic spatula on one end, and then it has like a little ball on the other to rub, like massage in product, but I never use that end. I just use the spatula end so I don't have to use my fingernails. And we'll just rub. It smells, this smells divine. It smells so fresh and like a fresh meadow of flowers. It is beautiful. I love it. The other one, the Glam Glow one, is supposed to be for combination oily skin. It's not a mattifying moisturizer, but it is more of a thick formula. So it's not one that I reach for. I like to keep my skin care pretty light when I'm going through hormonal breakouts, just because I just feel like clogging up my pores with a ton of skincare is not helping. This is a Witch Hazel toner spray. I like to put it on after moisturizer because if I feel like the moisturizer is a little bit too heavy on my skin, the spray helps kind of break it up a little, water it down, maybe I could say. I don't know what I'm doing here. Why did I leave all this in? I'm cleaning. Oh, to show you how sanitary I am, I'm cleaning my little tool here with a alcohol wipe. And then I'm saying goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and please leave any comments down below. Mwah! Love you guys.